Hello, in front of me I've got BMW Key Fob. In this video I'll show you how to change battery in the key fob. In the beginning, prepare flat screwdriver like this one. Now remove manual key and insert the key fob here, because here we've got the battery. Lift it, and now carefully remove the cover. Again, use flat screwdriver to lift the battery from its place. Don't forget to reassemble it, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.